If you've ever tried vlogging with just your phone, you'll understand the difficulties. Bad lighting, unsteady pictures, unclear audio, and always wondering if you're even in frame. The good news is that you no longer need a full studio setup to resolve all of these issues. Today's vlogging accessories are smarter, lighter, and designed to transform a basic phone into a formidable content creation tool. In this article, we'll go over the 6 pieces of tech gear for vlogging that will truly improve the quality of your videos. From AI tracking tripods and wireless mics to portable lighting setups and selfie preview screens, each item is intended to help you shoot more smoothly, look better on camera, and sound more professional with less effort. Whether you're just starting or upgrading your setup, these tools can significantly improve your content game. Number 6. Shaky Vlogging Kit. This vlogging kit is essentially a complete beginner package for anyone looking to generate content on their phone without dealing with complicated equipment. It is compatible with both iPhone and Android devices and has a 63-inch adjustable tripod that provides enough height and stability for a variety of shooting positions. The highlight features AI-powered face tracking, which keeps you focused in the frame as you walk about. It even responds to basic hand motions, allowing you to start and stop tracking without touching anything, making solo filming much easier. Furthermore, it incorporates dual wireless clip-on microphones that provide quality audio even from a distance of up to 79 feet. The battery life is sufficient to sustain long recording sessions, and it supports both Type-C and Lightning connectors depending on your phone. Lighting is also built in with adjustable fill lights that allow you to choose between soft, natural, or warm tones depending on the mood you desire for your films. There's even a smart remote that can record, navigate through apps like TikTok, and function as a page turner for tablets. In terms of benefits, the most significant is the convenience of having lighting, audio, tracking, and stability all in one set. It's simple to use and great for TikTok, YouTube, and live streaming. The tripod is also strong and flexible, allowing for easy rotation and tilting for creative pictures. On the negative, while it's packed with features, it might be intimidating at first if you're new to content creation. Furthermore, the plastic components and lightweight design make it better suited for casual or beginner use than hefty professional filming equipment. Number 5. Zydio All-in-One Smartphone Camera Stabilizer Kit. This Zydio All-in-One Smartphone Camera Stabilizer Kit appears to be a tiny filmmaking system designed for filmmakers who desire more control over their projects without the need to carry bulky equipment. It's essentially a handheld stabilizer setup that works with a wide range of devices, including cell phones, DSLR cameras, camcorders, and action cameras. The design is extremely adaptable, with several mounting points, including cold shoe slots and threaded holes, allowing you to attach accessories such as lights, microphones, or other gear based on how complex you want your setup. There's even a retractable handle that allows you to swap between shooting modes, such as steady strolling shots and more creative handheld viewpoints. One of the kit's notable features is the RGB video light. It includes a variety of LEDs that can be adjusted for brightness and color, allowing you to change the mood of your movie based on the location. Whether you're shooting indoors or outside at night, it makes your video look more professional and uniformly lit. Furthermore, the accompanying external microphone dramatically enhances audio quality, making it ideal for vlogs, interviews, and other situations when clean sound is more important than the built-in phone mic. In terms of advantages, this kit's greatest asset is its adaptability. You're not just getting a stabilizer, you're getting a complete content creation system that can adapt to various devices and shooting scenarios. It's especially excellent for travel, events, or informal filmmaking when you need superior stability, lighting, and sound in one package. The build also appears to be well structured enough to support various attachments without becoming unstable. However, if you have never used a rig like this before, it is not the most beginner-friendly configuration. It takes some time to comprehend how everything interacts and functions together. It's also significantly larger than simple handheld stabilizers, so it's not the lightest option for ultra-compact photography setups. Number 4. Movo iVlogger Pro Kit. This Movo iVlogger Pro system appears to be a complete, ready-to-shoot equipment set designed for anyone looking to generate better films directly from their phone. It's intended to function seamlessly with both iPhones and Android devices, with connections available via USB-C, Lightning, or a classic 3.5mm arrangement. The goal here is simplicity. Plug everything in, mount your phone, and you'll have a little studio that you can set up practically any place. The set includes a full-size tripod and a rotating phone mount, making framing images much easier whether you're sitting, standing, or moving about. The stabilizing arrangement keeps your footage steady, quickly making your videos look more finished. That alone makes a significant impact if you're recording in a complicated or outdoor situation where sound can get chaotic. Lighting is also included with a rechargeable RGB LED light that allows you to modify the colors and brightness to suit the atmosphere of your video. Whether you want a clean and natural look or something more imaginative and colorful, colorful, it provides versatility without the need for additional equipment. A wireless remote is also included, making it considerably easier to start and stop recordings when filming solo. The most significant advantage of this kit is how complete it seems. Lighting, audio, stabilization, and control are all included in one system, making it ideal for beginners or intermediate creators looking for a more structured setup. It also feels well designed for portability, particularly with a supplied travel case. On the downside, it's still a little more complicated than simply utilizing a phone and a tripod. Setting things up takes some time, especially if you're jumping between devices or playing with new attachments. It's also not the most compact option, so it can feel a little heavy if you want ultralight grab-and-go filmmaking. Number 3. Ulanzi Smartphone Video Rig. The Ulanzi Smartphone Video Rig is primarily intended for creators who require excellent lighting and consistent handheld shooting in a compact setup. It combines a video stabilizer and a built-in ring light, so you don't have to carry additional gear. It works with most cell phones, including iPhones, Samsungs, and Android devices. The handle shape facilitates smoother video capture, particularly for vlogging, live streaming, or fast-moving content such as TikTok clips. One of its most notable features is the lighting system. It has a ring-style design with adjustable brightness and a wide color temperature range, allowing you to switch between warm, natural, and cooler tones based on the scene. The color accuracy is also quite high, making skin tones and surroundings appear more realistic on camera rather than too harsh or washed out. With numerous LED beads incorporated in, the light is brilliant and evenly distributed, which is very beneficial in low-light situations. Another important feature is the included 8000 mAh battery. It not only powers the light during extended shooting sessions, but it may also serve as a backup power source for your phone if necessary. The rig also has many cold shoe mounts, allowing you to add other accessories like mics or lights if you want to change your setup later. Additionally, the bottom mounting point allows you to set it on a tripod for more stable hands-free photography. In terms of advantages, the biggest strength here is its all-in-one design. You're getting lighting, stabilization, and expandability in a single device, which makes it very practical for solo creators. The lighting quality is a standout, especially for indoor or night shooting, and the adjustable color temperature gives you a lot of creative control. On the downside, because everything is built into one unit, it's slightly bulkier than a simple phone grip or basic stabilizer. It's also more suited for planned shooting rather than quick, casual phone recordings. And while the battery is powerful, using the light at full brightness does limit runtime, so longer shoots may still require breaks or recharging. Number 2. Mini Mic Pro. The Mini Mic Pro is a simple plug-and-play wireless microphone device for anyone making multimedia on their phone, tablet, or laptop. It comes as a 2-pack lavalier configuration, allowing you to clip the tiny mics to clothing and begin capturing pristine audio straight away. What makes it intriguing is how simple it is to use. There is no cumbersome pairing procedure or app setup required. You simply connect it via USB-C or Lightning, depending on your device, and it's ready to go. In terms of performance, the emphasis is on clean, crisp voice recordings. It's designed to capture sound in a way that maintains your voice front and center while lowering the amount of background noise that typically destroys mobile recordings. That makes it ideal for vlogging, interviews, live streams, and even online meetings where clarity is critical. It also contains wind protection attachments, such as foam coverings and fuzzy windshields, to help keep audio clean when filming outdoors or in windy circumstances. The microphones are extremely light and tiny, so they do not feel bulky when fastened on. They're lightweight and portable, which is ideal for filmmakers who work on the road. The battery life is impressive for a little gadget like this, providing several hours of continuous recording. You can even charge your phone while using it, which is useful for extended sessions. The most significant advantage of this microphone system is its ease of use for beginners. You don't require technical knowledge to achieve professional quality audio, and the dual mic arrangement allows for two-person recordings, such as interviews or collaborations. It's also highly portable and unobtrusive, so your setup always stays clean and simple. On the negative, while the audio quality is good for its size, it does not compare to high-end professional studio mics. It also lacks extensive controls and customization possibilities, making it more of a simple record-and-go tool than a comprehensive audio system. Furthermore, because it relies on adapters for many devices, handling small accessories can be difficult to keep track of if not properly managed. Number 1. Selfie Monitor Screen. This selfie monitor screen is intended for iPhone users who utilize the back camera for higher quality images and videos, yet want to see themselves while filming. Instead of guessing your framing, it shows you have a live preview from the rear camera, making it much easier to line up images correctly. Whether you're filming TikToks, vlogs, or casual selfies, selfies, it allows you to stay in frame and alter your angle in real time instead of constantly retaking video. One of the most useful aspects of this technology is how simple it is to operate. It operates via a direct plug-in connection, so there is no need to download software or go through setup procedures. You simply connect it and it begins working immediately. It also includes a little remote, which makes beginning and stopping recordings easier while filming alone, particularly for content creators who shoot frequently without assistance. The display is tiny but sharp, with an AMOLED screen that provides clear pictures, high brightness, and smooth refresh speed. Despite its modest size, it is designed to provide a dependable preview while not interfering with your main camera view. Another useful feature is the magnetic attachment system, which firmly snaps into compatible phones or cases. If your device supports MagSafe, it attaches straight, but it also comes with a magnetic ring for added compatibility. In terms of strength, the most significant advantage is how simple it makes solo filming. You get accurate framing, greater use of your back camera, and a more professional-looking outcome without the need for additional equipment or expensive software. It's also lightweight and portable, making it ideal for carrying in a pocket or a small bag. However, it is only available for iPhone, so Android users cannot take advantage of it. Because of the modest screen size, it is more suited to framing than comprehensive monitoring. Extended recording sessions might also deplete battery life because it uses your phone's power. This concludes our list of 6 tech gadgets for vlogging that will significantly improve your content game. Each gear, from all-in-one creator kits and stabilizers to powerful mics, lighting rigs, and even smart preview displays, is designed to alleviate the stress of filming and allow you to focus on what counts most, your creativity. Whether you're recording TikToks, YouTube videos, or live streams, these tools may make your setup look much more professional without being overly complicated. If you love this breakdown and want to see more honest tech picks and creator gear evaluations, make sure to subscribe to the Legit Pick channel. There's always something new to help you make better, smarter, and more entertaining content.